Aloha, y'all. Hey, it's Mr. Beach from Miracles in Action with Mr. Beach, and we are on the first leg of our sixth and final crossing of the United States for Miracles in Action with Mr. Beach this year, helping stranded motorists that we come across broke down on the road. We're going through southeastern Nevada, about to cross the Arizona border near the Hoover Dam, so we'll get a picture of that here in just a couple minutes. Anyways, here we go. We just left out of the scenic overlook. Here we go. It's the first crossing in the Sozo 2. First camper we had bit the dust in Wyoming. Let's look at the Hoover Dam right around this corner here. Beautiful country we live in. God sure does good work. You should see it in about 2 miles. 2 minutes. It's all electrical lines that go feed Las Vegas, California. It's been one heck of a trip. So far, this is state 47. We got one more to do. That's Arkansas. Most of the way back across the country. It's supposed to be through there and to Key West by New Year's Eve, which that will be really hard to do. But I'm hoping the Miracles in Action gets a miracle itself. I think this is the dam we're coming up on here now. Some power stations. Oh, there it is. Alright, hopefully you can see it. And welcome to Arizona. All right, this is about the fourth time we've been in Arizona this year. I don't know if you could see the dam or not. I couldn't really see it. I saw it. Last time I was here, you could go across of it for free. Now they charge you for it. We don't have the money for it. We're out helping people, not vacation anyway. Anyways, stay tuned. We're going to hit state number 48, I hope, before the 1st. That way we'll have done all 48 1 year. But help a lot of people. We met some pretty interesting people in Las Vegas, or near Las Vegas where we stopped. It was pretty cool. Try to help people wherever I can. You know, sometimes a little word of encouragement is all people need. Sometimes just a smile. Met a nice lady yesterday, and she was having some problems with her in a relationship and homelessness and drugs. We just talked for a while, and I think that she felt better, and she's going to do better with her life. I gave her my book, Purpose Driven Life. I think it would help her. She seemed a really nice lady. I think she'll do better. She loves her man, but he's kept her homeless for 8 years now. So, you know, a lot of people are homeless because they want to be, but most people are not homeless because they want to be. They're homeless because just of the situations in their life. You know, when you get behind the 8 ball, it's really hard to get back on. I know. I've seen it a lot this year. Anyways, love you guys. Jesus loves you, and so do I. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Aloha. Bye.